Oscar, it was a nasty week for Bitcoin, tons of price volatility. I couldn't make much money. They were selling on us, BlackRock, and everyone. It is really not fair. I'm mad. Well, buddy, look again on the screen right now because some people buying altcoins just made 3 digit this very week. What is going on, everybody? Happy to have you back. Yes, everyone. This is the beautiful thing when I tell a lot of people I am precisely not buying that much Bitcoin. I'm buying altcoins because altcoin season is after when you have liquidity taken out from Bitcoin, then Ethereum, from Ethereum, then major altcoins, from major altcoins to the altcoin very season that is going to make us financially free. Yep, we're starting strong. Just to remind one thing, look, um, they are gonna do everything for themselves. Don't even think about it that they're gonna be caring for you and me. It's just not what they do, and they will never do it. When I see this, which is the price of BTC at this level, not moving for about 2 days. So this is the 12th, today is the 14th. Obviously, it is Sunday morning here in Texas. So at night is where we see a lot of volatility, positively, negatively. We'll be live. So subscribe, turn on those notification bells if you want us to tell you what's happening. Guys, just get ready for really upcoming weeks ahead in January, right? Q1 this year, we just have to see where the bottom will be finally for Bitcoin because I think the year is now here. For what? For this. This is the Bitcoin rainbow chart. And honestly, guys, we are at a great pace. But I do agree. I have to tell you that we were rushing to get out of the accumulate zone. And I think it was much needed for our rejection, for our retracement, for a correction. And I've seen it this week, even though, you know, these are projects that obviously have big communities. Look at Bonk. Look at X. I know that they have a super loyal community right there. HNT, Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. Like reality is, guys. Obviously, there's a lot of reasons why we went down. Sell-offs, the buy the rumor, sell the news. Scaramucci was saying grayscale that they were just trying to accommodate their positions, and obviously the decline is going to eventually end once the price and the decline is basically ends, which we were talking about yesterday, and I think this week how possibly 39, $38,000. Obviously there's a lot of people saying, oh, we're gonna go to the 30s, 35s. And why, right? I mean, really is that we like the blood on the streets. Nobody absolutely knows what's going to happen. We come here for entertainment purposes and joining a community that we are looking at this thing every day because we like it. Because overall, where are we heading? We're heading higher, everybody. We're heading back to our levels. We're gonna be passing the $69,000 max stop of the price of Bitcoin. It's gonna get exciting, and you better join the experience because if you fail on Bitcoin, you can gain on other tokens, and that's what I'm doing. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Take a look at the links down below. And honestly, fam, I'm just super proud of what I mean, people are getting it. At the end of the day, people are getting it. They know that it has to be this way, has to be bloody. But guys, 1.80, then 1.67, then back to 1.70. It is what it is, guys. We're gonna have a lot of gains. We're gonna have a lot of sell-offs. But if you really enjoy the journey, you wanna realize first thing is these are dream prices. One day I'm going to beg to be back at these days, to be back during this time to buy delicious crypto at these prices because obviously my bias with Kronos, right? You know everything that we've been talking about with it, but most of the other ones are really spectacular projects with tons of beautiful value and utility for the blockchain. So then you think they're gonna be dictating that? Obviously not. Right now, there are talks about Ethereum ETF. There are talks about maybe an XRP ETF. That's shouldn't distract us from the main goal of blockchain, which is coming and getting as many people possible on chain. That's it. And the ETFs help for marketing purposes, adoption purposes, bringing institutions, but the one-on-one, peer-to-peer, explaining everything, that's given to our blockchains, our communities, and our groups. So just wanted to give you those guys. Obviously, I think it's for you, I mean, for us to have, our mindset where it should be. Look, I can even see Kronos here a little bit with a 0.3% in the week. So I think it's something decent. When you take a look at the hour, guys, when you take a look at the day, there's obviously just a few winners, but I think the month is where we see big fat red bubbles with LUNC per se. The year is where still we have, the major winners, Bond, Cass, and other ones. Now in this week, what's happening? Well, finally seen. Here I'm gonna go ahead and go to the altcoin season, which I want to address this because I saw it from a friend, and this person said, "Look, Oscar, it's altcoin season 76," and I want to give you a look to this. So, why is this happening? Well, it's happening more often right now because the Bitcoin dominance is going down and Ethereum is going up. There's an inverse relationship for now where we see Ethereum not crashing where it should be of about $2,000. It's at 2,500, but Bitcoin is back at 43, 42, which it should be already at 50K. That's why it's going on, and that's why the analysis here is saying I think Bitcoin is lagging, and now they're letting altcoins, as you can tell right here, drive the narrative. Because if you're not diversified, if you're not also investing in altcoins, well, you are missing out. That's basically it. Don't miss out. Time is of essence right now. You need to act now to buy cryptos you believe in. I'm not going to tell you which ones. That's your homework. That's what you need to do. And I will obviously continue posting what I believe in. And it is a great experience to do. Find some answers on your own and say, wow, I finally look at this a different way. And even though the price is down for HNT, which it went down forever, still at 7, but I bought it, guys. You know, well, actually, it's not even that price anymore here because I was mining HNT at 40, $50, just to give you an idea how low it is right now. So it is not Alcon season. This is not Alcon season. It is just a way for you to see that their dominance is no longer on Bitcoin right now. But here's the deal: Bitcoin only needs a week to go back to 50K. A week. Why? Because I think there's no news right now that can send Bitcoin at 50K in one day. All of the sudden, a green, massive, godlike candlestick is not going to happen. It's going to take a couple of days. And by that time, there's already people trading it to sell it down, to short it. So that's what I've seen. That's what I think is going to happen. And these upcoming weeks, as we in January, because we still have halving couple months from now, about 100 days or so, there's opportunities to go higher, as I was saying before, from 50 to $60,000. I can easily say that halving can meet Bitcoin at 50K. That's still a great time. $10,000 or so, not a problem. After halving, some sell-offs, and then after halving, everyone, after the sell-offs and corrections, there should not be anything else stopping us from reaching $100,000 at the end of 2024, at the beginning of 2025. That's it. I think could be at the end of 2024 because that 2024 Q3, it was massive this last year, 2023. 2024 Q3, I think, fam, whatever you're getting in right now today, you're going to see the light at the end of the tunnel at the end of this year. So hold on with me 11 more months, 10 more months. It's going to pay off. And that's the update. Thanks so very much for watching, everybody. See you next time. I'm so excited. Peace.